Kitchen markets across Dhaka have seen a noticeable drop in the prices of several everyday essentials. From rice and summer vegetables to broiler chicken, shoppers are finally catching a break. Customers this week have noticed something different in Dhaka's biggest wholesale kitchen market, Karon Bazaar, a slight ease on their wallets. The biggest relief has been in rice prices. After months of steady hikes, the staple grain is finally becoming more affordable. Thanks to fresh arrivals from the Boro harvest, miniket rice, which last week sold for up to 90 taka a kilo, has dropped to as low as taka 72. However, premium Nazir Shail and coarse rice varieties are holding their ground with no significant price drop yet. At the vegetable stalls, there is both a splash of green and a welcome dip in prices. Summer vegetables, eggplants and gourds, okra and long beans are now selling for taka 40 to 60 per kilo, about taka 10 cheaper than last week. Even broiler chicken has joined the downward trend, falling by 10 taka to taka 150 to 170 per kilo. But Sonali chicken prices remain unchanged at taka 240 to 280. Meanwhile, onions held firm at taka 55 to 60 per kilo, and potatoes have inched up slightly, now going for taka 20 to 22 per kilo. But it's not all good news. Egg prices have jumped sharply, by as much as taka 15 a dozen, now at taka 140 to 145. And with Eid al-Azha approaching, beef prices are also climbing, driven by rising demand. Customers are relieved to see some prices coming down, especially rice. But with eggs getting more expensive and Eid coming, our budget is still tight. For Dhaka's residents, it's clearly a mixed bag. Some relief, some frustration, while the market is finally catching its breath after a year and a half of rising rice prices, triggered by last year's floods and import delays. Uncertainties remain. Analysts say prices may continue to fall in the short term, thanks to stable supply and good harvests. But by August, the picture could change again. Production costs, weather, and supply chain issues may drive prices back up.